In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove a property listing from Booking.com the right way. Whether you're closing your rental or simply don't want to accept bookings anymore, I'll walk you through the process. Make sure you follow until the end to avoid common mistakes. Let's get started. First, go to admin.booking.com and sign in using the account connected to your listing. Next, go to the group homepage and select the exact property listing that you want to remove from your Booking.com account. Then, head to the inbox and click the drop-down menu to switch to Booking.com messages. After that, click See Contact Options and under the category, choose Account. Now, select Terminate Contract to start the removal process and confirm by clicking Terminate Contract again. You'll be asked, why do you want to terminate your contract? Just provide your reason and click Next. Then you'll see another question, why isn't your property available anymore? Answer accordingly and click Next once more. Finally, check the confirmation box to agree to the terms, then click Terminate My Contract to finalize the deletion. And that's how you delete a listing on Booking.com quickly and properly. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more simple guides like this. See you next time!